All right, a couple of definitions. Concurrent. It's when three or more lines intersect. When three or more lines intersect. Now, these notes are fair game for homework questions as well. Okay? Just a little hint. Concurrent is when three or more lines intersect. Point of concurrency. All right, that's the point where the three lines intersect. All right, so you got a line, you got another line, and you got another line. Three lines that intersect, right? They are concurrent, and there's your point of concurrency. Circumcenter. Circumcenter is a point where the perpendicular bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. It is equal distance from the vertices of the triangle and the center of a circle about the triangle. You with me? That good there? In addition, the circumcenter it is inside an acute triangle it is on a right triangle and it is outside obtuse triangle. It's inside an acute, it's on a right triangle, and it's outside an obtuse triangle. And there's some pictures on page 317 that may help you see that. If you can picture an acute triangle, what is an acute triangle? How many acute angles does it have? It's got 3, doesn't it? Okay. If you can picture a circle about this triangle, that means it's a circle that has to go through these 3 vertices, right? So it would look something like that, right? The center of that circle would be right in there. And that's the circumcenter. Okay? If you had a right triangle, and you could picture a circle that goes through the 3 vertices, it's going to go kind of like whoa, shoot. That's a bad circle. I apologize. The scroll through that, because it's hard to get it. Yeah, except now I can't move it. I can't make it touch that and that. So if you can picture where this circumcenter, it's going to be on the hypotenuse actually, in a right triangle. And if you had a obtuse triangle, how many angles, how many obtuse angles? Just one obtuse angle, right? So that's an obtuse triangle. What does obtuse mean? Greater than 90, less than 180. Okay. So now you need a circle that goes through these 3 vertices. Can you picture it? It's going to be large. Most of the circle is going to be out here, isn't it? Okay. So that's going to put the center of that circle outside of the triangle. All right. So there's an acute, there's a right, and there's an obtuse. And that's where the circumcenter is in relation to the 3 triangles. Today you're going to be asked to find the location of the circumcenter or find the coordinates of the circumcenter. So find the circumcenter of triangle. And the first triangle we're going to do is 0, 6, 0, 0, and 4, 0. Alright, so to find the circumcenter of a triangle, and all you're given is the coordinates, you want to plot those coordinates. Plot those points. So 0, 6. 0 on the x and 6 on the y. So we'll go 2, 4, 6. 0, 6 right there. 0, 0 is at the origin, isn't it? 0, 0. And 4, 0. 2, 4. What kind of triangle does that make? Makes a right triangle, doesn't it? So where's the circumcenter going to be? On the hypotenuse. Good. So look, here's what you do. Here's how you find it. Alright? You construct the perpendicular bisector of this vertical side. Where's the middle of that side? In between the 6 and the 0, isn't it? So what's 6 plus 0? Divided by 2. 3. So won't 3 be the midpoint? So right about there. So this would be 3. That's actually y equals 3, right? The two x values. You got a 4 and you got a 0. What's 4 plus 0? Divided by 2. So x equals 2 would be the perpendicular bisector. So the coordinates of the circumcenter are 4. No. Are, what are the coordinates of the circumcenter? 2, 3. Good. Okay. Any questions? Want to try that again? Wasn't that fun? Sure, let's do that one more time. Let's try 2, 7 and 10, 7 and 10, 3. Uh-oh. 10, 3. Two, 7. 2, 7. 2 and 2, 4, 6, 2, 7 right there. 10, 7. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we'll go up to 7. Right there. And 10, 3. Out to 10 again and up 2, and one more is, there's 10, 3. What kind of triangle is that going to be? It's right triangle again, isn't it? How do you know it's a right triangle? If 2 points have 10 as an x value and 2 points have 7 as a y value, it's a right triangle, isn't it? Alright, so let's find the midpoint then of this horizontal side. The horizontal values, those are your x's, aren't they? 2 plus 10 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So right here at 2, 4, 6. I wanted that to be blue. I really did. Right about there. That's at x equals 6, isn't it? Isn't that also the line, x equals 6? Good. You got a y of 7 and a y of 3. What's 7 plus 3? Divided by 2. 5. 2, 4, and 5. What line is that? That's y equals 5. So your circumcenter is located at 6, 5. That would be the center of... Can you picture that being a circle? Yeah. Circumcenter would be the center of the circle that touches each vertex of the triangle. Okay? You got to remember that the circumcenter is the same distance from the vertices. Okay? It's the same distance from the vertices. It's where the perpendicular bisectors intersect. So it's this. Okay? Any questions? Say that again?
Doesn't that follow the rules that it's on that?
Yeah, because that is a right triangle. And we said that if it's a right triangle, the circumcenter is on the hypotenuse. If the circumcenter is outside the triangle, what kind of triangle is it? Okay, obtuse. And what are the coordinates? What are the coordinates of that triangle? You know it's an obtuse triangle. What are the coordinates? Who wants to take that one on? Coordinates of an obtuse triangle. You want to start with 0, 0? 0, 0. -2, 5.
Is there a specific, like, are there only 3 combinations that can get obtuse, or can it be, like, are there various combinations?
You can have all kinds of different obtuse triangles.
But so these don't have to be the exact coordinates, right?
No, but I'm just wondering if you guys can think of the coordinates of any obtuse triangle in your head. Yeah. 6, 0 now? Look at what's one. Here's a way that you could have done it, but this is pretty interesting. Right now you've got 0, 0, don't you? Here's 0, 0. Here's -2 would be here, and 2, 4, 5 would be here. So you've got, here's one leg of your triangle, isn't it? Where does the next point got to be for that triangle to be obtuse? Somebody said 312. 312 would put it. That might work, right? Yeah, that would work. So we'll go 3. I should have been on that line. 3 and let me move it down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 3, 12. Yeah, that looks obtuse to me. Okay. So that would work. 6, 0 would have worked as well, yes. Very good. All right, your assignment for today is page 319. Four through 14. Make sure you check headline. Make sure you have your notes and or your book in front of you when you check headline, because there will be vocabulary questions as part of the homework assignment.